Kitty, marsupial sun bear. Yeah, my bat kitten. Doesn't that look like a bat? A fruit bat? Oh yeah, that's a fruit cat. This cat's part bat and part marsupial, and it's a panther. We have the craziest kitties around here. Yeah, that cat's nuts. This cat's just so laid back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, good kitty. Oh yeah. Panther kicks? Oh, you just want to lick, huh? Oh, you're purring. Yeah, good boy. Aw, fuck yeah. Look when you. Oh, look at that! Holy shit, the Mister. Hell no.
He's enjoying this in the room.
Yeah, that's what it's about. Yeah, we got our Tookie snipers around here. Little baby Tookie. Yeah. This kitty guards the fort. This is a bat kitty. This cat's such a bat. Yeah. Oh yeah. Good kitty. You're a good Tok. Yeah. You know it. Oh, I know. I know. Every time I see you, and you've grown since I've seen you. Oh yeah. Yeah? Oh, hi. Yeah. You're a good boy. Say bye. Oh, you gonna lick? Alright. I'll let you be.